Good morning everyone, this is Shobhit Agrawal on the behalf of Jyotri Academy. First time we are available for you for online classes for chemistry. All dear students, by taking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, we will start the study of class 12 for chemistry subject. Here, the first time I am going to introduce you with the first chapter of chemistry, that is solution. My dear students, you all have already studied the same chapter in class 9th also, but we will study some extra points here in class 12th. What is a solution? According to the basic concept, a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Means 2, 3, 4, 5, any components may be present over there, but it should be homogeneous. Heterogeneous will not be considered here in this chapter. Okay. Now we will say about the classification. So classification will be done on the basis of number of components that is present in the solution. It is 2 component, 3 component, 4 component. That completely depends upon the number of components. If 2 components are present, it will be called binary solution. 3 components are present, it will be called tertiary solution. Similarly, if 4 components will be present, it will be called quaternary solution. The classification may be go on depending upon the number of components. Here in our syllabus there is only binary solution. We have no study to tertiary or quaternary solution. We don't have to study. We have to study only binary solution. So binary solution means 2 components. One will be solute, second will be solvent. Okay. In solute, the amount of solute will be less, amount of solvent will be excess. This is the basic concept. But in actual concept, the solute is the substance or the phase which is dissolved in another solvent, and the substance in which the solute dissolves is called solvent. Okay. Now the concentration of solution. Concentration of solution we have also studied in class 11th, that's chapter 1st, if you have remembered. Concentration is the amount of solute that is dissolved or present in our solution, fixed amount of solvent. The same I have written over here. Now there are a lot of units to express the concentration. In this class we will study only the 9 units, that is mass percentage, volume percentage, gram per liter, molality, normality, formality, mole fraction and ppm, among which the mole fraction is really important because it will be widely used in the chapter and is new for all of us. All of the units will be discussed in the next video separately. Thank you.